Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messages app is crashing after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Messages app is crashing after update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to Play Store app here, go to search and you have to search for Messages app, go or open your Google Messages here, and you have to make sure that your Messages app is up to date. If you have recently updated your Messages app and you're facing the issue that after update your Messages app is crashing, so sometimes it might be that due to any technical issue, your Messages app not completely updated but your previous version also damaged, so you might see these type errors. And you might see that you haven't any update button here. If you can't find that update button, just click on this uninstall option, click on uninstall again. It will uninstall your previous update, your previous message update. Once you uninstall, you can re-update this or you can use your older version. Like so, if you uninstall, after uninstalling, keep a long press on your message tab here, click on this info button or eye icon here. Go to storage, click on clear cache. After clearing cache, retry to open your messages app to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to Play Store again, update your app, and after updating, you can reuse your app after updating. So it might help you to fix out your issue. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can keep a long press on your messages app here. Click on this info button. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and you can also clear data of your app, and then retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings here and go to apps, and in apps go to default apps or choose default apps here. Select SMS app and select Google Messages here and see the Samsung Messages or Messenger or any other third party app. You can use Google Messages here. Once I've done, the issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go back from here, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date, then go back and just make a force restart to your phone. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 50 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold your volume down and power button. The very first, you might get a black screen here. And once you see a black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo and then you have to reset button. So here we have black screen. Now just wait for Samsung logo here. And once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it's restart. So it will make a force restart your phone. After making a force restart, it might take more time or it might take longer than a usual restart. So you have to wait for a few seconds. After making a force restart, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.